Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to cash out or withdraw money from Pionex. Firstly, log into your Pionex account and click Wallet. Withdraw, then Withdraw. Now select the option drop down arrow and search for the crypto you want to withdraw and select it. Now, based on your selected crypto, available networks will appear. Select the network that matches your receiving wallet or platform and enter the withdrawal address and the amount to withdraw. Now click Submit, then Continue. Fill in the required security codes from SMS or email and enter them, then click Confirm, then OK. After confirming, you can monitor the withdrawal status in your Pionex wallet dashboard. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.